Hi everyone, this is Ryan Calloway with AZ Health Insurance Brokers. The purpose of this short video is to discuss 5 pieces of compliance to be aware of if you're offering or renewing a group health insurance plan. So the first is COBRA or state continuation. Those are essentially the same thing, but in the state of Arizona, you have a state continuation law that essentially says if you have more than 2 employees, you have to offer what is essentially COBRA. So that just allows your terminated employees to remain on your group health plan for a specific duration of time, typically 18 months. It can be longer than that. Your broker should be managing that piece for you, ideally. Next is your ERISA documentation, which allows you to offer a pre-tax plan. So if you don't want to offer your medical, dental, and vision on a pre-tax basis, you do not have to worry about this. But if you do, technically you should have a Section 125 document in place. It's pretty straightforward. It's just an IRS caveat that they require for employers to offer a pre-tax health plan. That includes dental and vision as well. So the next piece of compliance I wanted to discuss is the 1095B and C series forms. So these forms only have to be completed by level funded and or partially self-funded groups. So just know that if you are level funded, partially self-funded, ASO, etc., you do have to complete the 1095B or C compliance forms. The next piece of compliance is your Form 5500. So if you have over 100 employees enrolled in any product, you must complete a Form 5500 on an annual basis. The next piece of compliance I wanted to discuss is the PCORI fee. It's a small fee that, surprise, must be paid on an annual basis for any level funded or partially self-funded group. So if you're fully insured, you don't have to worry about this, but it's a really small fee, very nominal, but technically speaking, you are supposed to be submitting this fee and if you're level funded or partially self-funded. And then the other thing to be on the lookout is the evolution of these laws as they're ever changing. So it's important that your broker stays up to date so they can facilitate well-rounded compliance for you and let you know and be proactive in letting you know that, hey, XYZ is changing and you're gonna need to be on the lookout for this new law. And here's what you need to be doing as a result of this new law. So it's really important that you stay up to date. The fines for these things are no joke. So, and again, to recap, your broker really should be helping you with all of these pieces. So that's what to be on the lookout for compliance. Thanks, this has been Ryan Calloway.